Hi everybody. As the evenings get longer, ordinary light just doesn't set the mood anymore. It's time to bring new energy into your home. Meet Philips Hue Smart LED bulbs that transform any room into a unique space. Just screw them in, connect, and you're ready to go. Choose from millions of colors. From warm white, to natural daylight, to dynamic hues for every occasion. Control your lights with your phone or your voice, thanks to compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Imagine walking into your home and the lights greet you automatically. Need energy to focus, soft light for dinner, or a cozy evening vibe? Philips Hue adapts to every moment of your day. This is more than just a bulb. It's energy savings, everyday convenience, and healthier light that boosts focus, helps you relax, and creates the atmosphere you want. One solution, thousands of possibilities. Don't wait any longer. Philips Hue is the perfect choice for the season's longer nights. Control your world from your phone. Don't wait, shop Philips Hue today.